All right, guys. So it's been 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, and it does sound better. You know, that ticking is no longer a tick, 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 tick. It does sound better after putting in the Rislone. And it seems to be leveling out. I mean, it's only been 5 minutes. I haven't really driven this car. I haven't driven this car at all, so I'm not quite sure what the deal is. But it's actually a lot quieter. Now, I put in a bottle. I took out a quart. I put in like 5 quarts in this car. 5 quarts of oil. I took out a quart. Put in 1 bottle of Marvel Mystery Oil. Drove for about 50 miles. I don't know if it actually made a difference as far as sound-wise, but this Rislone actually sounds like it sounds better. I mean, so I have like one bottle of Mystery Oil, Marvel Mystery Oil, and then 1 bottle of Rislone. And the Rislone's, I can actually tell the difference right now. I mean, the ticking's still there. It's not as acute. It's not as, you know, it's not as obvious as it was before. I'm gonna drive it for about. I mean, I'm surprised actually, because it does really make a difference. It does. The sound actually, it makes it be. You know, it's a difference. I mean, it was pretty loud. It's not as loud as before. I'm gonna drive it for about, I don't know, 20 miles, and see if that makes a bigger difference. Yeah, I'm hoping adding that Marvel Mystery Oil and this together, it doesn't actually do anything to the engine. I'm hoping. But I noticed the Marvel Mystery Oil wasn't really thick. It wasn't a thick oil, but this was. The Rislone was a thick oil. Thicker. But we'll see.